Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today my eyebrows look a little blue because I just permed them. If you haven't seen my perming eyebrow video, I'll link that up here. But today we are going to be doing something else with my eyebrows. So I wanted to try out this eyebrow product called Tattoo Brows, and it's supposed to last up to 3 days. You apply it and then you wait 2 hours with it on, and then you peel it off. It's like a temporary tattoo. So hopefully I'm able to shape a good eyebrow because it's gonna last up to 3 days. This is what the bottle looks like, and then this is what the applicator looks like. And I got dark brown because my hair is dark. Yeah. What do you think about bow buns? Okay, I am gonna be using this for like the front so I can get like hair looking like things, hopefully. So let's get into this and try it. I'm nervy. Can I do it? Hopefully my brows will look good and not cray. At least if they do look crazy. Like I don't already look crazy as it is. But I got pretty long bangs, so they'll cover them up pretty much. Ah! I'm scared. I'm gonna use this for the rest of the brow. And I permed my brows first because I wanted them to be big and fluffy. So let's do this. Ah! I wonder if it's supposed to go up or sideways. I feel like it's just like sticking to my brows and not my skin. This looks so dark. I don't know what I'm doing. It's so goopy. It's weird. Okay, now I'm gonna use this. That looks really big, but it might look good. I think that looks good for this one. I'm pretty sure it won't be this black, but if it is, oh well. Now you can see me because I put a mirror down below. This stuff is so weird. The problem is trying to get the same two eyebrows. They're sisters, not twins. Okay, makeup remover does indeed remove it if you mess up. You just gotta do it quick before it dyes your skin.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
I think this is good. These are some big brows. Lovely. Okay, there's multiple colors. I got the dark brown, and I got it on Amazon because I couldn't find it anywhere else for some reason. So I'm gonna let this dry for 2 hours. Wow. Come back and peel them off and show the reveal. Hopefully they look good. If not, oh well, I guess I could just shave my eyebrows off. Okay, see you in 2 hours. Bye. Oh yeah. I'm back 2 hours later, back 2 hours later, back 2 hours later. Now hopefully I can take this off my brows and still have brows left. Okay, it says, this is like hard. Said to start from the inside, and it should, I'm scared. Peel off. Come off. It's not coming off. Tweezers.
If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired.
I'm expecting it to be like super dark, and then it's like not dark at all. Still have hairs. This is a lot harder to take off than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna come off like super easy. Oh! I spoke too soon. It's just the front piece I was taking. It's good old time.
Demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself.
That looked pretty good.
So I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around.
Not bad, not bad. This one looks way better than this one, especially this side. But if they both look like this, look at this eye. Yeah, that looks good. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna continue using it, so I don't have to fill in my brows. They are definitely a lot darker than my natural hair, but my hair right now is dark, so looks good. I'm gonna test how long it lasts, so I will see you in a few days to see how they are doing. It says it's supposed to last up to 3 days, so I'll come on the 3rd day if I still have eyebrows. If I don't, I'll come on the 2nd day. Okay, see you in 2 to 3 days. I think they look really good. I think they look really good. Okay, bye. Olo, 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 olo. 3-day brow update. This is what the brows look like. Can you see me? I think that the brow hair, like the actual hair part, still looks darker than natural. So I'm guessing that the hair is only supposed to be tinted because my eyebrow hair is still darker for 3 days. But I want my skin to be tinted because my hair won't grow right here fast enough, or it won't grow at all, I don't know. And they're kind of not full. But I really liked how they looked before they washed off. They lasted 1 whole day, and then when I washed my face, the tint on my skin came off, but it stayed on my brow. So I would still use the product, but not do the 2 hours, just do like the 20 minutes, for the day. Do your eyebrows first, do the rest of makeup, take it off, and then you have eyebrows. And they won't come off until you wash your face. So I would recommend the product if you want to do that, or if you already have eyebrow hairs and you just want them to look darker. That would work good. I'm still going to use it, even though it only lasts one day, because I really liked how it looked. And that's the verdict. I like it. I'd give it a medium thumbs up because it washed off after one face wash. But it looked really good the one day that it stayed on. So that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.